election was stolen. Take a look.
The judiciary will once again be in the limelight for the next 6 months as various courts across the country begin hearing numerous petitions whose final day of filing was close of business today, Saturday the 9th. And after conquering their biggest political legal battle at the Supreme Court, NASA has now trained their guns on several key and strategic political seats. They want their elections nullified, as confirmed by Rarieda lawmaker Otiende Amolo, who was among NASA's legal team that led in successfully challenging President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory, which was subsequently nullified.
Many stations where there are various issues that arose, whether at the governor's level, the senator's level, the MP's level, even at the MC's level. And a lot of our members have come to us asking us to review within the deadline, and you know today is the deadline.
County seats targeted include Nairobi, Machakos, Kajiado, Lamu and Wajir.
Many petitions that will come up, some on the similar issues that arose in the Supreme Court, the unbelievable 11% difference, some on issues of ungazetted polling stations, ungazetted returning officers, and some on issues of discrepancy in terms of the votes they got and the votes that were received. So it is true that there will be many stations, but I have no fear because I'm aware that the judiciary has always been preparing for election petitions. So I am quite sure that the Chief Justice will assign judges and magistrates to deal with them quite promptly.
In Parliament, National Assembly seats that have been earmarked include Aden Duale's Garissa Town constituency, with Farah Maalim challenging his election, Kimilili constituency, Webuye West, Ikolomani, and Starehe, among others. In all this, NASA is banking largely on the evidence used at the Supreme Court to floor President Uhuru Kenyatta, and they seem to be confident about this.
The position of the law is that once the Supreme Court makes a decision, that decision is binding on all subordinate courts. So on matters of principle, as it deals with the law, any decision that the Supreme Court made will bind all other courts. And even though the full reasoning of the Supreme Court is not out, it has already made determinations in certain interlocutory matters, and it's also made the order, the final order. So to that extent, all that will be binding on the other courts.
As it stands, Jubilee enjoys a numerical advantage from county seats to Parliament, a move attributed to the merger of over 13 parties in September 2016 to form the mega Jubilee Party. Duncan Hemba, KTN News.